Gaming keyboards are evolving, but Corsair's new Vanguard 96 series takes it to a whole new level. Imagine a compact keyboard that's not just for gaming, but also a full-fledged streaming command center. Meet the Vanguard 96 and Vanguard 96 Pro. Both pack a 96% layout that squeezes in F keys, arrow keys, and even a numpad without sacrificing space for a rotary dial and a full-color 1.9-inch LCD. 6 programmable G keys sit perfectly on the side, letting you launch macros or integrate with Stream Deck hardware instantly. The Pro model takes things further with Hall effect switches and Corsair's MGX hyperdrive technology. This means every key can have secondary actuation points, allowing deeper keystrokes to trigger different actions. Press W to walk, press deeper to sprint, essentially turning your keyboard into an analog controller. And with 40 levels of actuation customization and rapid trigger technology, your commands are instant, precise, and incredibly responsive. Streamers, this is where it gets interesting. The Vanguard 96 is built to be your ultimate control hub. Assign overlays, macros, or RGB profiles to the 6 G keys, or launch virtual Stream Decks for unlimited panels with up to 64 hotkeys each. All this while keeping your main keys safe from accidental presses. And it doesn't just perform, it feels premium. Aluminum frame, 4 layers of sound-dampening foam, and a leatherette memory foam wrist rest make it comfortable and stylish. The standard Vanguard 96 features pre-lubed MLX mechanical switches, while the Pro elevates the experience with Hall effect switches and multi-actuation for gamers and creators who demand the best. Compact, versatile, and built for both gamers and streamers, the Corsair Vanguard 96 series isn't just another keyboard. It's a command center, and it ships on October 11th. Ready to upgrade your setup?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.